Hi, it's me. I just want to show you my dog, Pinky. Here she is. I love her. I did that with the DSi. Yeah. So anyways, yeah, I did that with the DSi. A few other ones. And that is my dog.